If you're watching this video, you'll see that this one is about how to write a conclusion paragraph. To start, what I've done is I've literally just copied and pasted my thesis down here at the bottom of my essay so I can remember exactly what points I need to make within my conclusion paragraph. The conclusion paragraph needs to have two things. Number one, it needs to restate your thesis and your claim. Let's reread our thesis from originally. It says, in Incidents in the Life of a Slave Girl, Harriet Jacobs challenges the idea that all men are created equal by, 2 points, describing the abuses she and her family suffered at the hands of their masters and outlining the rights she was denied on the basis of her skin color. So, do we do these two things in this paragraph? Let's read. These experiences detailed by Jacobs throughout her memoir should illustrate how brutal and inequitable the lives of American slaves were. Given this evidence, it would be difficult for anyone to argue that legal slavery could be maintained in a country that claimed to be dedicated to the idea that all men are created equal. Ah, I see that phrase showing up again. It goes on to say, the abuses, there's point 1, and denied rights, there's point 2, described in Incidents in the Life of a Slave Girl by Harriet Jacobs inherently challenge this fundamental idea. This is a very clear restatement of the thesis, and it's not an exact rewording of the original thesis, which is exactly what you guys are aiming for. The last thing that you'll need within your thesis, within your conclusion paragraph after you've restated your thesis, is a final thought you want to leave with your readers, aka me and your teacher. Fortunately, reading these accounts today may help us to create and promote a more equitable society. Here, we do a really good job in this sentence of bringing it to the reader's attention how this idea of all men are created equal still applies to us in this day and age. And that's it. That's how you do a conclusion paragraph.